Hi guys, at Makro this is special for washing machines from 9,000 to 6,000 9 kg same day delivery. So you should go and order, place your order, same day delivery, 9 kg, perfect condition. As you can see in gray color, see 38% off. You can also see other reviews and what people say on the reviews if you are not certain. But this is a good washing machine, Hisense brand. So that's how it looks like. The package is good also. There we go. That's the washing machine, guys. The new B Baba from Makro. Actually, from 9K to 6K. Hi, who wouldn't want this set? 9 kg. So you should go and check it out online, download the app and register and see what they have on sale. Maybe you can get something and save a little, you know, save big. So that's the washing machine, guys. From Hisense 9 kg. Wow. It's optional also. If you put on cotton, if you want long hour, short one, you cannot it actually cleans well. I mean, it doesn't leave the clothes dirty. So yeah, that's how they're unboxing the washing machine. The new beaver. So inside there's a pipe that connects to the tap into the washing machine that brings in the water into the washing machine. And inside it's actually big. You can load a lot of clothes in and wash it at the same time, but not a lot. If you want your clothes to be clean, of course.